Hello everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a vintage Christmas Jell-O pub cake, and here are my ingredients: a Betty Crocker cake mix. I'm going to be using 1 cup of water and some oil and eggs, 3 eggs, and this recipe will be in the description below. So let me just make my cake layers first. So let me get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put my cake mix in. And my water. My oil. And my eggs. This is 3 eggs. So I'm going to beat this approximately about 2 minutes. And this is a cake that we've been making in our family for a lot of years, and my daughter especially, Cynthia, she loves to make this cake around this time of year. Okay. Oops. Air bubbles out. Okay, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes, or when a toothpick inserted. Let me try to say that over. Until a toothpick inserted in it comes out clean. Or another test is if you touch it and it springs back. Okay, so let me put these in and I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, my cakes have just got through baking, and so I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes, and then when they get cooled, I'll be back. Okay, my cakes have just got through cooling. And you notice I have 2 more pans here. You'll need to wash. If you don't have 4 pans, you'll need to wash your cake pans, because you will need to put them in a clean cake pan. wash my hands. Okay, now then you'll need to poke your cake with the, I'm using this size fork. So I've got my green Jell-O and my red Jell-O in my bowl, so now I'm going to pour a cup of water. Okay. So you stir this for about 2 minutes till you get it all the sugar melted, or all the Jell-O. Okay, I'm going to put 3/4 of this Jell-O in my measuring cup. Okay, I don't have my glasses on, but that's, well, I'm going to pour this on my cake. Okay, that's the first layer. So now I'm going to do this one. Okay, so I'm going to put this cup of water into my red Jell-O and stir it for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in this. Okay. That was almost perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to pour this over this layer. Boy, this strawberry Jell-O smells great. Okay. Okay, you can just disregard the Jell-O that you have left. And I'm going to be putting this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and then I'll be back. Hi everyone, my cake layers have been in the refrigerator for several hours now, and so my next step is for the cakes to come away from the pan. Is I'm going to go over here and set it in some warm water for about 10 seconds for it to release. Okay. so now I'm going to let this one over here sit for a few minutes. No, I'm not. I'm going to put it over here for a few minutes and ice this one. Okay. So next I'm going to be putting some Cool Whip on it. So now I'm going to put my other layer in and let it sit for a few seconds. Okay. Okay, this one's going back in for a few more seconds. There we go. That was what I was looking for. Let's see. That one on there like that. So now I'm going to put a little sprinkles on it. Just put a little jingle bell on it. So let me get this cake cut and I'll be back. So here's how my vintage Jell-O cake looks. So now I'm going to do the taste test. That is real delicious. And it's got the Christmas colors red and green in it. It's a perfect little cake to make for your Christmas dinner or to take to your Christmas party. And it's an easy little cake to make. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. And do what you love and love what you do. And y'all have a great weekend. Bye.